Hey guys, so in this video I'll be doing a review and an unboxing of the Fantasy wireless charger. Now, it's the key standard. So let's pull out the box. Okay, comes with an instruction manual, like a one thin paper, and it also comes with a micro USB cable, but no adapter. So I had to source my own adapter for it, which I didn't like. You know, if you're gonna put a micro USB cord, at least put an adapter. And if you're gonna put an adapter, at least put a card, because I noticed on the packaging when it refers to content, it says wireless charging plate, adapter, or port cable. That means you can either get the adapter by itself or the power cable, and I didn't really like that, but you know, that's just me. Maybe you might not have an issue with it, because at the end of the day, you don't really need an adapter in order to charge it. You can plug it into your laptop if you have one, and that should work. But if you don't have a laptop, then you're probably like me, even though I do have a laptop, who find this dissatisfying not having a adapter coming in the package with it, at least a small adapter. Now pulling it out, I love, however, the design of it, the clear outer rims, right? The micro USB right here. So when I plug it in, let me just show you. Okay, so now it's plugged in. So I have some little stands at the bottom, rubber stands. So it's very hard to move, so it creates friction. That way it doesn't easily slide off if something pulls on it, you know, because the outer rim is so smooth that trust me, if somebody just pulls on it like this, it would be right off the table. I'm going to test my S8 on it, so stay tuned for that. So now I'll be placing my S8 onto the wireless charger, but before I do so, as I said previously, the red LED light shows that it is being powered up. If you don't see the red LED light, that means it is not powered up, and it will not charge your phone, which is compatible with wireless charging. Now, when I place it down onto the wireless charger, it indicates to me that it's being charged. You see there, like a lightning bolt, so it's being charged. All right, the benefits of having a wireless charger. All right, for me personally, using my S8 and even my S7, whenever I went to the beach, or I was walking in rain, or you know, I got wet, as soon as I reached home to charge my phone because of a long day, you know, it would tell me that moisture detected, and it would not allow me to charge my phone. Now with wireless charging, it bypasses the port that that's preventing you from charging, you know, due to the moisture detection, and you can charge it wirelessly. So that's a big bonus. And in addition to that, another benefit is that it's very easily removable, or how would I put it, it is a bit more convenient, because you no longer have to plug in, plug out back. All you do is take up, and then when you're ready again, you place it down back on it, and you're good, and start to charge it. Now, a lot of cafes and businesses which accommodate wireless access, and basically they accommodate phone use, are now incorporating the wireless charging in their businesses. So now when you step inside of a store, you might see, if they do allow you to charge, you might see a wireless charger instead of a normal micro charger, or the USB Type C charger, you know. So that's another benefit towards it, because it's becoming more universal. More and more phones are becoming compatible with the wireless charging. So that's a big plus, you know, a huge step in technology. Now, in addition with that, it has a nice look to it. It's not really a big positive, but it does have a nice fancy look to it. So I like that. It goes together with the S8's design, and just very looks sleek. Yeah, so the clear outer rim, and my phone being so sexy. I will compliment the S8 on being very sexy. Okay, so that's basically the end of my video. Thank you for watching. You know, please continue to watch my videos, leave your comments, leave your recommendations. You know, I'm always reading the comments and looking out for my subscribers. So if you feel like I won't look out on your comment, I will, and I'll give you as much positive feedback and response as I can. Alright, if you have any more questions, as I said, leave it in the comments section. Thank you for watching my review on the Fantasy wireless charger.